In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best graphics cards available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the graphics cards list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the graphics cards mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. SOYO AMD RX 598GB graphics card. The SOYO AMD RX 590 delivers strong 1080p gaming performance with 8GB GDDR5 memory and a 256-bit interface. Built on Radeon architecture, it supports DirectX 12 and PCI Express 3.0x16 for smooth rendering and fast data transfer. With efficient cooling and a 6-pin power connector, this card ensures reliable performance for gamers and creators alike. Perfect for upgrading mid-range desktops to handle demanding games and creative workloads. Number 4. MLLSE AMD RX 5500 XT 8GB Gaming GPU. The MLLSE AMD RX 5500 XT packs 8GB of GDDR6 memory and a 128-bit bus for ultra-smooth gaming and multimedia experiences. Supporting PCIe 4.0x8, it offers faster bandwidth and improved frame rates for modern titles. Designed for power efficiency and performance, it's ideal for gamers who want next-gen features without a huge price tag. Enjoy seamless 1080p gaming, improved cooling, and excellent compatibility with most desktop setups. Number 3. Sapphire RX 6700 XT 12GB Nitro GPU. The Sapphire RX 6700 XT 12GB Nitro delivers premium 1440p gaming powered by AMD Radeon architecture. With 12GB GDDR6 memory and advanced cooling design, it provides smooth frame rates in the latest AAA games. This GPU supports ray tracing, DirectX 12 Ultimate, and high refresh rate displays for immersive visuals. Built for performance and reliability, it's a great choice for gaming, editing, and streaming on modern PCs. Number 2. ZOTAC GTX 1080Ti 11GB graphics card. The ZOTAC GTX 1080Ti 11GB GPU is a powerhouse built for serious gamers and professionals. Featuring NVIDIA's Pascal architecture and 11GB GDDR5X memory, it delivers outstanding 4K gaming and rendering performance. Its robust cooling system ensures stability during long sessions, while multiple output ports provide flexible connectivity. Perfect for gaming desktops and creative workstations that demand high-end graphics performance. Number 1. GT7 32GB DDR3 Gaming Video Card. The GT7 32GB DDR3 graphics card is a reliable and budget-friendly option for everyday computing and light gaming. With a 64-bit interface and HD display support, it's perfect for office work, multimedia playback, and older game titles. Operating at 902 MHz, this card offers smooth visuals and low power consumption. Ideal as a replacement or upgrade for basic desktop PCs needing stable, efficient graphics performance.